Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Focusing one more time. Saying I love you guys. It's nice to see you back again. I hope you had a good Thanksgiving. No matter what time of year it is, I'm sure you had one this year. If you're, if that's your thing. If it's not, okay, oh well. I've got a 14 by 14 inch canvas and I'm going to be quiet about anything other than painting now. I have my glasses. I have a shovel. I've been having a super good time playing with Floetrol as a swipe tool. I'm going to make sure I don't have any lumps in my shovel. It looks like I have another one, but it might be a bubble. No, it's a lump. Okay, so this time, instead of putting shovelfuls down, I'm going to probably give myself a hefty dose and see if tipping will help me. Because I think it will. To heck with the shovel, you know what? Never mind. I've got almost all the paint drained out of my other shovels, so let's just use the paint I've got. Because you might not have a shovel either. It's better if it comes out. Yes. That is a folk art turquoise that is color shifting. This is a black that I make up that's basically Artist Loft and latex. And my paint pouring recipe is below the video. And I'm just going to keep pouring colors on here until I decide I like what I've got. I don't know how soon that's going to happen, but it might not be that long. I'm going to keep trying to spread them out a little bit. And cheat with my fingers right now, because I'm almost at the end of my day. That is a Deco Art Americana metallic copper. So far, pretty happy with my colors. I'm going to keep spreading it to the end. Last time I used some purple. A little bit of the Anita's white metallic. Put a little more copper in there. And try and decide if I'm going to do black at the end or not. What color do I want up there? That is the question. Maybe it should be a repeat. Maybe I need something lighter. That could be kind of cool. I don't know what that paint is. I just know I mixed it a long time ago. And I'm going to throw another line of gold in there. I've got plenty of white there. I'm really tempted to just spread that out. I've got some 24 karat gold Deco Art Americana with orange color shifting in it. I've got some silver, which might be really cool to put in there. Since I never ever use it. Well, very seldom. It'd be really nice if there wasn't something in the way. And maybe because I don't have a lot of it. I think I want an edge catcher. Let all that go over. and I'll pull it back if I want to. But right now I'm just going to use it to dip into. And I never used, oops, wow, there was a lot of paint coming off of there. I need a place to put something down. Excuse me, while I reorient myself. There we go. Well, I'm thinking that I should grab an oxo omelet turning spatula and maybe, weirdly enough, dribble the rest of this paint right across. If I see a combination I like, I'll use that. Just pick it right up. Right off of my edge catcher using my oxo omelet turning spatula, best paint spreading tool I know of. I got tremendous cells there. I'm going to have to pull that over to the edge and use the paint on my spatula because I'm not interested in wiping it away yet. It's too pretty. Stick my fingers in there. I think I'm going to use the rest of the paint I've been scraping off from the last two paintings I did. I'm going to do a little bit more. I was going to do a beach scene, I remember that now. I might have to do that later on. I might have to do that tomorrow actually. So I've still got a little bit of this paint if I need an edge touch up. And checking my edges now. And they're pretty well covered. They're better covered than I imagined. That is something that does not belong. And that is a bubble. Torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I think that I am going to give myself, for whatever reason, one more stripe right there. I'm really tempted by something else too. Be nice if it would come out if I wanted it though. That's not coming out. That's not coming out. Okay, I've got something else dark. I can do that. Now I've been using Floetrol, and I've got a nice cup of it. Need that over the top a little bit so I don't see canvas anymore. I can always use that puddle. Kind of want to tip that down, but I like what's at the bottom very much. I don't really want to change that at all. Okay then, this is going to be different. I am going to use my same plastic card, which is similar to a playing card. Get that out of there. Move this away. And Floetrol away. I might want a smaller card. Now I'm wiping off my paint as I go in my little dish. I want a zigzag. I'm going to start at the other end just because I can. I may have to go back again and do something. Yep, That was something. Very cool something. I'm liking all of this. I might have to do a 10 by 20 after this, just to use my leftover paint. Because there's a lot of it coming up. My goodness, that's beautiful. Wow. I'm not sure that was an improvement, but I had to. I could probably do that with a skewer or a spatula or anything else. I think I'm going to have one more down at that end, although I'm not sure I need it. Oh, I've got some places I need to put paint. Okay, I'm just going to steal a fingerful. Everything else is fairly well covered. Shouldn't be doing that upside down. No, I like it. I could do it with a basting brush, but it would be a lot more uniform. Kind of want to dip a card in white. I wonder what would happen if I put a little white metallic on that. Reminds me of campfires in the desert for some reason. I have no idea why. Maybe because there's little flamey shapes. I like it. I'm going to torch it. I'm going to call it good. Tell you guys that there are 1,700 plus videos organized by topic and genre, by topic and the 100 on my playlists. And if you visit my channel by clicking my avatar or my face on the channel, on the video, you can find them under all playlists and created playlists. I kind of want to tip that a little bit. I'm not sure that's a good idea. Maybe sideways. Just to break it up a little bit. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I am probably going to look at that mark and go, I don't like it. And are there any others? I could throw some spirals in there and that would be okay with me, honestly. I'm going to have to fix the top edge because there's not enough paint up there, but there's enough paint on the tile so I can just use my finger to fix it. That is a huge ball of paint that does not belong there. I might really like adding some spirals. I don't know if all of them are going to show up or not. yeah, that adds a little bit of interest that I think is interesting. Yes, that is the word I'm after. Oh, there's a goose, a goose head. Why not? My book is called Because I Can. I might as well, right? So I should torch that again and tell you guys I love you guys. There's over 91,000 subscribers, and if you're new, please be welcomed. If you want to help me out, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. It helps my YouTube standing. And thank you so much for sharing my video to your pages and to your group. I really appreciate that very much. Look under the link tree that's under the video for Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group in Facebook group. Yeah, I think a couple little drags and waggles are also in order. Because I can. I love working with Floetrol. I don't know what took me so long. I think it was a suggestion from somebody in the Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, which is my Facebook group for students. Yes, I did. I just did that. And it's okay. I can break up that hard line down there. I don't mind. Oh my gosh, I love those cells. They're just tremendous. To heck with the bloom technique. I'm just going to use Floetrol. Why not? I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Thank you for all the wonderful comments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. And remember that you can find the exhibition video on the end screens of any video that I post, and the drawing is once a month, and you can see what the prizes are on the exhibition video. I'm just going through and adding more spirals where I see a mark that doesn't make sense to me as much as a spiral would. But I want to stop myself before I go too far because I really, really, really like this a lot. I use GAC 800 by Golden in all of my paint mixtures. My paint mixture is under the description in the middle of the video when you open Show More. Click Show More, and you'll also see right under that link tree, you'll see my email address, and you can contact me there if you have an interest in artwork or a class at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, because I do sell my artwork and I do give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I needed that white. I'm not sure it's as good as it can be. Just a little white over there to lead the eye around. So I'll check my edges when you're gone and make sure there's no gaps. But I'll try and zoom in now because these cells are tremendous. I'm totally distracted by how cool this is. So, Teespring Clothing is underneath the video. And it's got all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts. Woohoo! Look at that. Spirals and cells. How can you beat it? The Floetrol miracle. Who knew? I mean, I guess we all knew. Floetrol was in all our paint mixtures. Turn that off. So, look for pixels.com and Fine Art America and Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links all underneath the link tree. And my website. If you have a question, please feel free to ask. Look for my books on the Amazon link. If you shop there, it's at no added cost to you, and you can buy anything from my Amazon link, and it will help me buy art supplies, and thank you so much for doing that. Don't forget the thumbs up, and share my videos, and watch them longer if you want to be of assistance to me. I love you guys. Take care of each other. If it's the new year, I hope it's Happy New Year. We need a 2021 improvement. We'll see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.